Gravity SMTP gives you the ability to designate a primary and backup email sending service. Having a backup connection set up gives you peace of mind that your emails will reach your users' inboxes. If there is ever an issue with your primary email sending service, Gravity SMTP will send the email using your backup connection to ensure your email reaches its destination. Setting a primary and backup connection takes only seconds. From your WordPress dashboard, head to the Gravity SMTP settings and select Integrations. Locate the email service with which you'd like to connect and click the three dots on the integration card to open a drop-down menu. Within the drop-down menu, select Set as Primary to set this integration as your primary service. You can follow the same steps to set your backup service. Simply select Set as Backup instead of Set as Primary. For instance, I'll set Postmark as my primary email sending service and set Outlook as my backup. Now, whenever I send emails from my site, Gravity SMTP will attempt to send them via Postmark. However, if any issues arise with using Postmark, Gravity SMTP will opt to use Outlook instead. Gravity SMTP is currently free with a Gravity Forms Elite license. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching.